Hi guys, this is a step-by-step process on how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook. This is the exact strategy I use to generate sales via Facebook and also generate leads. So this is perfect if you want to generate some sales from Facebook and you are looking at a simple process. You will be blown away by how simple this process is. So stay tuned. There are 5 steps involved. These are the exact 5 steps that I use, and I have multiple pages on Facebook, and this is exactly what I do. So if you would like to know how I am going ahead with performing affiliate marketing on Facebook, then stay tuned. Also, I have some free guides and resources on indianmomblogs.com/affiliate. Do check them out. You need to sign up, and I will be sending you a link to my resources section, which I am in the process of creating. Mind you, these are some things which I was thinking of launching at a premium price, and I'm giving this away for free only to subscribers. So what are the steps? The step one is to decide on a niche and a product. What is a niche? A niche is something which or a topic which you would like to focus on. If you are looking at, say, selling ladies bags, then focus on ladies bags or bags for girls instead of bags in general. So this, the narrow your niche, the better the prospects of your making money and sales. But too narrow a niche means, like suppose you focus on something like red ladies bags, then the target market for people looking for red ladies bags might be very bleak. So let me show you, there are other ways on how to make sure that you are actually picking up products which are going to make money for you. So you can go to Google Trends and search for the topic you are interested in making a product, an affiliate page on Facebook. So I have selected World of Warcraft, and I have also selected PUBG. I just want to make an interest and a comparison on the trends. So if you can see that PUBG is showing a much more bigger trend, but both of them are uh, you know on parallel. If you notice now, the trend for PUBG is there, and the trend for World of Warcraft is also still there. It also, you can also go through this report and see different things like what exactly are people looking for. They are looking at, say for example, World of Warcraft, the battle for Azeroth. There it has a breakout, means that more and more people are looking for that. Then the release date of the classic World of Warcraft, then Shadowlands, the release date of that, etc. So you will get many ideas here. You might also get which exact volume they are looking for, what type of sub games they are looking for, and what type of strategies they are looking for, and alternatives like the Legion World of Warcraft they are looking for. So, and also they are looking for World of Warcraft artifact weapons. So you see, you've got so many ideas just by looking at the Google Trends. So how do you now use these ideas? First of all, you have decided on a niche. Okay, for example, in this it is World of Warcraft. Or you could go a little upper and you can say that you're going to make a page on video games, which is also okay. Okay, these particular type of video games. And then we need to find the product to promote. So let's do that. So I'm looking for something to promote in the ClickBank marketplace. And if you come here into the ClickBank marketplace, look at different products in the marketplace, and here I find that there are particular guides, Warcraft guides available, and they have a decent gravity and a decent average sale. So I look at these products and pick up one product for promoting. Okay, and if products have like this futmillionaire.com, you can see that it has like an affiliate page. These products, such things are much more handy because this will give you content. This will give you sometimes some things which you can download and give away. So I'm going to pick up things based on this. Like suppose it had, see this is still not live yet, but if it had, then I would get downloads and giveaways. and also content from here. Sometimes they give you content, some articles which you can use. Okay, so that was step one. We picked a niche and we picked a product. You can, this will work for any niche, any product. Okay, next is we move on to step two, which is to actually create the Facebook page. Since I am not into the gaming niche as such, and I just took it as an example, I'm going to create another page for the niche I am in. So let me walk you through how I create that particular page. So I'm going to go to Google and type create a Facebook page, and then this is the option where it says create a page for Facebook. So I'm going to select that option and I'm going to click on get started. Now I'm going to give my page a title. So I'm making a page on affiliate marketing. So that's what my page title will be. Okay, next I need to pick a category for my page. This is very important. So click on that and select the most relevant category for your page. Okay, for mine it will be, I'll pick on local business. Okay, and select a subcategory. It is what is this, advertising. I think I'll pick, okay, I'll pick advertising or marketing, right? And I'm going to click next. So it's going to create my page for me. I can do the setup here or I can do later. So here I can just skip it for now because I selected local business. It's asking for an address. If you do not, if you just take like blog or something like that, it won't ask you for that particular address. So it says add a cover photo. Okay, we'll do all this next. Let me just create the page. So I'm just clicking on next, 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 and that was so simple. I have created a page. Okay, it has created a default logo, just a there, and it has created a page for me. The next step will be to actually create images, right? So let's move on to the next step. So we created a page. So first step was to find a niche and identify a product. Next was to create a page. Next step is to go ahead with creating images. For creating images, I use Canva. So I use Canva to create my uh, uh, designs. So you can find tutorials on YouTube on how to create the design. So I'm going to download my design. So I'm uploading an image which I created on Canva. So you go to the Facebook page, go to the header, and you need to change the header. So let me show you what I have created. I'm going to use this, and that is my Facebook page header. So this is the header which I have created. So it is always good if you can create an image which has a call to action. So here I have said that you can sign up for a free affiliate webinar, and with an arrow pointing, and if you look at the header, the arrow will be pointing at my button here. So I'll add a button here which will allow me to have people sign up, right? So I can say that sign up. Can you see the more options? I'll select sign up and add a link to your website, so I can have them sign up to get access to my affiliate webinar, right? So that way I can get people, whoever visit, to perform an action. So this is one cool trick. So they will sign up, and when they sign up I can follow up and send some details about this product or service. So change your header, change your logo. This particular Facebook page, I will show you how it looks. I will link it out in the description. You can go and check it out and see how it looks. So step 3, the images are taken care of. So what did we do? We selected a niche, a product, we created a page, and we added images. Step 4 is very important on getting content ideas. How do you get content ideas to post on your Facebook page? So for this, that is why you need to select something which you are very familiar about. Suppose it's about the War of Warcraft. You know, as a game player, you will know cheat sheets, you will have tips and tricks, you will know exactly how to, maybe the troubleshooting problems, like how to install, if it doesn't install, what to do, if this particular error happens, what to do. So all these are good post ideas. Post these as a post onto your page. Let me show you a sample. So here is a sample page. Okay, same way I have a call to action. If you can see, it's grab your freebie, and whenever somebody messages, they get a freebie from me. And I have different posts shared here. So some are videos, some are general posts, some are just images, some are YouTube videos. I will tell you how to get a lot of visibility for these particular posts in the next section, that is getting traffic. But see the different content ideas. It can be just an image. This is an image which I created in Canva, and then I wrote some text for this, and I added hashtags. Hashtags are very important. This will give you more visibility. Okay, not all of my posts have hashtags because I have found another secret way of getting visibility. So this is just one way. So those were some content ideas. We had text, video. So the steps so far were: we picked a niche, we picked a product, we created a page, we created images, we created content. We've looked at content, okay, text, video, images, different types of content can be used. What next? Next is we need traffic. How do you get traffic to this site? Okay, I have found a system. I do not know. I tried and tested and then found the system. This you will definitely not find anywhere. Before I share with you this system, I just forgot to tell you that for images, you can go to one website called Pexels, pexels.com, and that's where I get my royalty free, copyright free images. All right. So for traffic, what do I do? For traffic, what I have found is that, see, there are multiple, there is one thing in Facebook, that if you are consistent on Facebook, you consistently publish posts, then you will get traffic. Okay, I cannot consistently publish posts, neither do I want to sign up for any bot or service which will publish on my behalf onto my page. So in that case, I found another way to do it. What I do is that I find topics which people are looking for. Let me show you an example. So I created a page which was, it's a brand new page actually. I think it's half a month old. It has to, and already 27 people like this. I just created the page and left it. I didn't do anything to promote it. And also I don't have much posts, but if you can see that whatever I have, people, it says for this particular post, it says 41 people have reached, and it's just an image. And this has nothing here. It just, and still 19 people have reached. And look at this. I shared a YouTube video which I had made long ago. So what is a trick? The trick is you find what in Google, what people are searching for. So people are searching for how to start a gift business from home. Make sure that is the first line in your post, and then you write the content and share it. and you will see that many people it will start reaching. If you want, you can add hashtags. As you can see, I've not had the time to add even a single hashtag. Still, I am getting people who can see it. And this one I posted on 14th August. Work from home for women in India. Okay. And you can see that already 26 people have reached. And I have not been consistent on this page. This is like, 2 or 3 posts I did, and all almost on the same day. And then I left it, and still people are finding it. And this is my header. So that is a very neat trick. Find what people are searching for in Google, okay, and then make a post on this. Now this video is getting really long, and how to find what people are searching for in Google, etc. I will be making other videos on affiliate marketing on the same channel, and in that I will share that. For now, I think this is gone too long, the video. So we covered traffic. So the 5 steps were: step 1, pick a niche and a product; step 2, create the page; step 3, create images, so logo, header, and the post images. If your post has images, it gets seen, visibility is much better. Then what we talked about, step 5, that is the types of content: text, video, image content, audio content can also be shared. Anything can be shared as long as it is between the Facebook terms and conditions. And next was, we saw how to get traffic. Okay, and a basic SEO I spoke about when I talked about finding what people are searching for on Google and sharing that, because uh, that will make your page be found and give it a virality. Nobody talks about this. Okay, everybody says that consistently keep publishing. Yes, that will help, but how consistent can we be here? And also, if you thought that okay, she has got only 25 views for that particular post, but the thing is that those 25 views have gotten me conversions. So it all depends upon who is your target audience. If you have been able to tap into that particular audience, and even if the numbers are very 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 few, the conversions will be high. And ultimately we are looking for sales. We are not looking for large volumes of people looking at something and having no sales. We are looking for the right people having found our product or service and also purchasing it. So that is how you do affiliate marketing on Facebook. To sign up on my website at indianmomvlogs.com/affiliate, I'm opening a resource center which I had decided to actually sell it, but I'm giving that away for free, but only to my subscribers. So you will have to be subscribed to my newsletter, because I will send a passcode in that. You have to use that and log into my resources page. See you later.